Welcome back, YouTube, to another Air Fryer Tuesday. We're going to learn how to do these Toll House pumpkin spice cookies in the air fryer. Alright, YouTube, so this is what they look like. So you see the slots, you want to cut down here and across here and separate them. And since I use a small air fryer, it's going to take longer to bake it, but I'll show you how you do a couple. Alright, YouTube, so you see how they're separated? And you see how they're spread apart? Push it in. We're going to bake it at 350 for 12 minutes. So you use the bake function, use temp and time. So 350, 12 minutes. See you then. All right, YouTube. So look how easy it is to do some cookies. There's the rest of it. So you just want to repeat the same steps. Directions are in the description. And there you have it, YouTube. I repeated the steps. And look how many cookies I made. And it only took about 24 minutes. And I was able to watch TV as they cooked and just listen to the beep on the air fryer. Please subscribe, hit the like, and on Tuesdays I'll bring you so many different air fryer recipes. Bye-bye, Dan Soy Cook.